There are circumstances way beyond what you can understand. Since you're stranded, lost without a way, staring at the ground, your head is down. May I offer you a hand? Start to rise with your eyes today. Look to God, don't be discouraged, don't be afraid, you're not alone. See the one who'll give you clearance, so press on, look to God. When you trust in God, surrender everything to His control. And fear is gone, only peace remains. When you walk by faith and not by sight, you walk a steady road. Where the one is hand, the mountains become plain.